How about that? Just made money right as we were starting the video. My target got hit. You can't make this shit up.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's Thursday, June 12, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. President Trump plans to send take it or leave it letters to countries within 10 days, amid rising tensions after Iran's IAEA rule violation. Equities fall, the dollar weakens, and safe havens like gold and the euro rise. Crude oil dips due to tariff concerns and OPEC Plus actions. UK gilts outperform after weak GDP. US Treasuries remain steady. Air India flight AI-171, a Boeing 787-8, crashed after takeoff from Ahmedabad, causing a sharp drop in Boeing shares. Key upcoming data includes US jobless claims, PPI, ECB speeches, and earnings from Adobe and Carnival. If you like what you hear, please like the show and subscribe. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Let's take a look at the currency pairs. How about that? Just made money right as we were starting the video. My target got hit. You can't make this shit up. All right, first one, Ossie USD. This one was pretty cool because it was in a very strong uptrend. And right before we started the podcast, these indicators haven't changed all that much. So it was in a bullish trend. Obviously, the trend was very strong. The RSI was way up in the 70s. And we got a potential reversal signal that formed here, and that's what inspired me to take the trade short. Volume was normal, was probably a little bit above average when it got to there. I had been using this strategy on these signals in the 15-minute chart where I go for 5 pips, relatively large position size. I'm starting to get more and more confident with this, but usually when I'm trying out new things, I start real small and eke them up as I feel more confident. Yeah. Anyway, the last signal was a trade pivot long. That was 30 bars ago. That was probably right here. Okay. And right now, the reversal signals are neutral. So that's what this neutral means over here. Okay. The HUD's working really good. And right now, AI is predicting a movement back to the upside for this particular instrument. Let's move on to US Canadian dollar. AI is predicting a downtrend. You'll see our standard indicators are all indicating a downtrend. Strong trend. Relative strength is 29. You'll notice the background's getting green. So we're getting near the bottom of a normal run here. This one is tricky because you've got these giant order pools here that it appear to just fall right through. The volume is normal, so it's nothing weird about it. And the last trade pivot was short, which was right here. And that was about 38 bars ago. So it's been quite some time. I just thought of something I need to do a little research on, is to do a study of what the average length or number of bars is between trade pivots to get I think that would give me some valid information as to when to anticipate another pivot. Sounds like a job for AI to me. So anyway, this is close to a small bounce, I think. If she bounces, I think she will bounce like this. She will go up into these order pools and then continue their trajectory back down. That is just me guessing. I don't have Sherman or the Wayback Machine. None of you young people are going to get that reference.
All right, Mr. Peabody.
But that's what I think is going to happen there. On to the next one.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and become part of the Trade Faction today.
All right, this one is the US dollar chief. It is in a downtrend, strong, RSI is in the 30s. So we're getting close to a bounce here. AI is predicting a bearish future candles. As you can see, there is an order pool right here. It's not super strong, but it's decent. So we're already starting to bounce off that a little bit. Here's things I have observed. These little dots, these gray dots and green dots on top. That is when you're overbought or oversold. If it does bounce back, they usually will bounce back to that and then continue their trajectory down. At least that's been my experience. No guarantees. Just trying to throw out there some positive stuff in the force. Pound, US dollar. I was in this one, as I was telling Dave before the show. In this area, I did have to waterfall it up because I thought because of this big order pool here and getting the potential reversal signals, I took it at about the third dot or the second dot. I don't remember. Anyway, it tracked way against me. I had to waterfall it again. Unfortunately, in the middle of the night, I was sawing logs. Some news came out, which I knew was coming, and I anticipated it, and that's why I set the trade up that way. News came out and caused it to momentarily crash and hit all my profit targets, so that was very nice. Right now, though, right now we are in an uptrend. AI is also predicting future bullish candles. Remember, it goes from green to yellow to red. So whatever these colors in between from green to yellow and from yellow to red is probably orange. That tells you how close it's getting to the extremes. So anyway, we did have a potential reversal signal fire off. You do also have order pools up here. Volume is above average. This is looking like a decent short, okay, right now. Let me look in. It's only 4 minutes away. Wait till New York. See what happens when the influx of volume comes in from New York.
Yeah, especially with the bad numbers, they have a tendency to want to get their piece of the action.
We posted bad PPI numbers, product price index.
Unemployment.
That's the cost that businesses pay for materials, I believe. And then unemployment claims were shitty too. They're slightly up. They forecasted 242 and it was 248. All right, Dave, that is all I have for today, unless you have something clever to say. From the mouth of Yoda to you.
Don't have to trade while New York comes online. I swear the number of times they've screwed up trades.